I'm going to take you into the spray room and show you my spray techniques on race panels and spraying in general. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my respirator. Don't ever spray without one. I know that was probably hard to follow. You know, it's tough trying to hold the phone and spray. But anyway, I like to take a path of spray down this area of the style and rail, and I tilt and I go back and get the panel edge, and I do it all the way around all four sides of the panel. And then I'll spray a strip around the panel and then spray down the panel back and forth, you know, overlapping my sprays, of course, and then come out and spray the stiles and the rails and then back away.